Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn company page in 2026. A LinkedIn company page helps you promote your business, share updates, post job openings, and build your brand professionally. First, open the LinkedIn website on your PC or laptop, or use the LinkedIn app and sign into your account. Make sure your LinkedIn profile is complete because you'll need a personal account to create a company page. After logging in, click the *** for business ** or work ** icon at the top of the page. Scroll down and select Create a Company Page ***. Now choose the page type that best fits your organization. You can select a small business, medium to large business, showcase page, or educational institution. Next, enter your company name and create a public LinkedIn URL. Then fill in the required details such as your company website, industry, company size, organization type, and upload your company logo. You can also add a short tagline that describes your business. After completing all the information, confirm that you have the authority to create the page on behalf of the company. Then click Create Page ***. Your LinkedIn company page is now ready. To make it more attractive, add a cover image, write a detailed company description, include your location, and start publishing posts regularly. You can also invite employees to list your company as their workplace and begin posting job opportunities. And that's how you can create a LinkedIn company page in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.